Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is going to be a weekend in Paris part 2. I hope that you guys enjoyed the part 1. So the plan for the weekend, technically it's not the weekend yet. Today is Thursday, but I'm still going to go out and do some things with my cousins. We're supposed to go to Saint Denis. I'm not quite sure what we want to get. I think we want to get some dresses because apparently I'm going to be attending a wedding on Saturday, and obviously I have no outfits, like wedding ready outfits for the occasion. So we're gonna go to Saint Denis, and I also want to get some African black soap that I cannot get in Spain. And what else do I need to do today? And then I also want to go to Sephora to get some stuff for my face, to wash my face. I was using my other cousin's face wash and stuff like that, but it's not agreeing with my face whatsoever, and I feel like I need to get back the things that my skin actually likes. So I'm going to go pick up some toners from Pixi, maybe a face wash from Sephora, the one that I'm currently using, and I also reviewed on my blog, if you guys didn't know that. But now you know if you didn't know, and you can go find a review on it on my website. The link is somewhere on the screen right now. I really love it. It has AHAs and BHAs, and I feel like my skin really needs to exfoliate right now, and like it needs something stronger than aloe vera. So yeah, that's the plan for today. And then tomorrow I'm trying to convince my cousins to take me to Versailles, because we need to go to Versailles. But yeah, hopefully it happens. And then Saturday there's the wedding, and I'm going to go back to my aunt's house Saturday evening, because on Sunday my cousin's friend organized a brunch for us, so we're gonna do that. And then we have to go to Paris to go sightsee and take some pictures, and then I'm leaving on Monday. So yes, my weekend is going to be full and packed. Hopefully I have the time to do everything that I need to do, and yeah, I'll see you guys later on when we go out. Hi guys, so I'm back home. So we went to Saint Denis. We didn't really find anything. Actually, my cousin did find something. There's actually quite a cute dress for like the daytime lunch thing. I didn't find anything, so tomorrow we're gonna have to go to the mall, like probably hit Primark or something like that to try to find something. um so yeah, we're really hungry and it's quite late. I was working late, so we're just gonna have dinner, probably watch Casa de Papel on Netflix, and then go sleep. Tomorrow the plan is to go to the mall. Like we're supposed to go to Versailles first in the morning, but we're gonna have to go to the mall in the morning to... Okay, here's a real story. Okay, so the original plan was to go to Versailles in the morning. Then when we come back home, or like on our way home, to stop by the mall to get some stuff, like last minute stuff for Saturday. But I really need like a new face wash and like all that skincare stuff that I talked to you guys about before, because like my skin it's just like disgusting now. And I also need a new foundation, because like the NARS is not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Okay, so yeah, so I need to find new foundation, some cute dresses for Saturday. Well, a cute dress for Saturday. Listen, I feel like I'm rambling. Let me stop and say what I need to say. So I need an outfit for Saturday and some face wash thingies plus a foundation. And then after that, we're gonna go to Versailles and then come back home and probably like chill and whatever. And then Saturday, the plan is to go, well, you'll see. Saturday there's the wedding basically, and then Sunday there's the brunch thing, and then going to downtown Paris. So yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna go eat and watch Casa de Papel, and I'll see you guys later. Hi guys, so today is Friday, and as I said before, the plan is to go to the mall and shop for the wedding. I also need to get some foundation and stuff like that. Plus, afterwards in the afternoon, we're gonna go to Chateau de Versailles. I'm with my cousins, and yeah, right now we are at and right now we are at Le Lac de Créteil. They live in Créteil. Oh Jesus Christ. Okay, let me say what I have to say first. So they live in Créteil, and then there's like this beautiful lake. I'm going to show you guys right now. It's so pretty. So that's where we're at now, but the thing is, now I'm kind of like freaking out because I'm scared of birds, and there are a lot of pigeons and ducks and geese, whatever. I remember the Twitter thing, the moose meese. Anyways, so I'm trying to like kind of walk away from them and still find a good spot to show you guys how it looks. Hi guys, so we're still at the mall. We spent I think 3 hours here, and surprise, we're also running late for our viewing of Versailles. We booked the 4 p.m. viewing, and it is past 3 or about to be 3 p.m. and we live about 1 hour away from Versailles, and we still need to like go home, drop our stuff, maybe do our makeup, and then leave. Honestly, I'm just gonna do my makeup on the train or something like that because we're really out of time. And right now we're back at Primark because the sister of the bride doesn't have any lashes, like false lashes. So we're here to pick some pairs up for her before heading home. So yeah, I'll see you guys back maybe on the train or at Versailles or wherever it is. So no Versailles for me. I'm really bummed out about it because I was really looking forward to it, but we just spent too much time at the mall, and then we were actually like on our way there, but then we just like realized that we would have gotten there about like 30 minutes before closing time, and it just wasn't worth it, especially because they close at 6 and our tickets was for 4, so it was really not worth it. And I was so bummed out about it. I feel like I might just come back for like a weekend just to go to Versailles because like I really wanted to go. It was on my list. I've been before, but I was really young, so I wanted to go again to see it and stuff like that. So yeah, at least like I guess the silver lining is we did get some stuff at Primark and Zara. Yeah, that's a silver lining. As you can tell, my energy is really low because I really wanted to go. I'm really like upset about it. Not sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but yeah, I'm going to sign off now. Bye. Good morning, girl. Today's Saturday. It's about to be 9 a.m. I'm just getting ready. I have to go out real quick to run an errand, and then at 10, like around 10, someone's supposed to come pick us up, my cousin and I, to go get the food for I guess like the little reception thing after the groom and bride go to the city hall to sign the papers and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm running. Of course, I'm running kind of late. But I still have to finish my makeup. I'm just gonna do something real simple. Oh, let me show you guys my dress. So I'm just wearing this simple dress that my cousin lent me. So it has glitters on top, and then it's just a simple like, you know, I don't even know how, like, a loose type of dress thing going on. So I'm wearing that for the lunch, and then there's also going to be a dinner thing, like a dinner slash party thing tonight. And I got another like blue silk dress from Zara. My cousin thought that I should wear that for the daytime, then wear this for nighttime, but to be honest, I don't give a damn because I don't even know the groom and bride. I'm just like tagging along, to be honest, so I don't really care or like what I wear and where and when, stuff like that. I'm just happy I have something to wear at least to the events. So I'm just going to wear this for the lunch, and then the other one for dinner. I'll show you guys later on. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish getting ready, and I'll see you guys later. Oh, and my makeup looks kind of crazy today. It does look much lighter than the rest of my body for once. So I went to Sephora yesterday to get a sample from the Fendi 390 because my other foundations were not doing it for me. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing on my face, but as you can tell, it's way too yellow. I tried to tone it down with my powder foundation that is lighter than I am, but still like the right undertone, you know. So yeah, I tried to do that to try to balance it out, but I also have to contour. Maybe it's going to look better once I do that, but I don't even care too much, to be honest. Like, it looks okay. Okay, I look decent, I look lookable. But anyways, I'm going to catch up with you guys once I get done getting ready and I'm on my way to get the food or something like that. So we're back home. It is 2 a.m. on Sunday. We literally just got back home. So I couldn't really vlog much. I wasn't really thinking about vlogging. I was just like, you know, enjoying myself and stuff like that. I hope that you guys did enjoy the wedding. It was pretty fun. It was more fun than I thought it would be. I was just like, ugh, another wedding type of thing, like it's going to be boring and tedious. Yes, it was tedious, but I was having fun along the way, and I ate so much food, so much good food, so I'm happy about that. Yeah, so as I was saying, it is 2 a.m. I'm supposed to meet with my friend, not my friend, my cousin and her friend, who is organizing a brunch for us in the morning. I'm supposed to be at her house like 9:30 ish in the morning. So since it's 3 a.m. I need to, like, first of all wash off my makeup and everything like that, and also pack because okay, I feel like whenever I talk to you guys I don't really explain everything, and it's really frustrating because in my mind I'm like, no, like I need to say this, I need to say that, and then I start rambling like I am right now. So here's the thing, so I need to just start packing because I'm going to go to my cousin's friend's house in the morning for the brunch, and I need to take my stuff because I'm going back to my aunt's place with my other cousin, like the first cousin that was where I was at before. So yeah, my trip is ending. I only have technically one full day, so tomorrow's like my last day. I'm leaving on Monday evening, so tomorrow is like my last day to really enjoy and like do everything that I have to do, and the planning is quite packed. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start packing. I have a lot of shit. How did I manage to have a lot of shit? I don't even know. And I don't even know how I'm gonna put everything in my suitcase to travel, but where does it will, there's a way, I guess. Anyways, I'm going to sign off now. See you guys in the morning. Well, in 7 hours. Bye. End my vlog yesterday, but today is Monday, October 18th. I'm on my way to the airport with my camera, and it's like about to be 7 p.m. My flight is at 9:05, so like we're still, you know, we're good. We're not too late and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed my Paris vlogs. Let me know in the comment section what you would like to see from me. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.